what to expect from Team Tim's during our property assessment. Thank you for the opportunity to present our sales plan to you. At Team Tim's Ouwens Casserly, we are proud to do real estate differently. From our team-based approach and 10-step targeted selling plan to our complimentary renovation and styling advice, we will ensure this move towards your next chapter is memorable and profitable. In selecting Team Tim's, you will engage our entire team of dedicated professionals, all working together to support you all the way. This means you have access to more than just your dedicated sales team, but also administration specialists, finance specialists, property stylists, licensed trades, legal professionals, and marketing experts. Whether you are selling a property for $500,000 or $5 million, the high level of service is the same. We value all homes and every client equally. What you can expect from our meeting. We regard our first meeting as the beginning of a meaningful relationship, and we aim to make the experience a memorable one from the start. We will take the time to learn about you, your property, and your goals in detail. We will also walk you through our selling plan and explain how the Team Tim's OC approach will reward you with the highest possible price in today's market. Naturally, as part of our agenda, we will also answer key questions like, what's my property worth? How long will it take to sell? What are the changeover costs, and how will you market our home? We also ask that you think about what you have loved most about living in your home and the location, as well as any invisible value, that's detail not apparent on inspection, that you'd like to share with us. This information will allow us to start creating a profile of your ideal buyer and a plan of how best to engage their interest. We really look forward to meeting you. But in the meantime, no one knows your home better than you. In pricing and marketing your home, we do more than just inspect it. We take beautiful photos and write professional copy. We want to know the full story, and we want your target buyers to know it too. So we will ask you to share everything from your favourite memories to the invisible value buyers may not notice during an inspection, like the friendly neighbours, the underfloor heating, the storage in the roof, and so on. Why? Because your memories and appreciation of your home's best features will help us attract your ideal buyer and engage them on an emotional level. So, during our meeting, we would love it if you could do a bit of homework for us and prepare some answers to the following questions. What first drew you to your home? What have you loved most about living in your home? What have you loved about the location? Great neighbours, close to parks and shops, etc. What do your family and friends say about your home when they visit? Who do you envisage your buyer to be? What are you going to miss about the property when you leave? And what plans did you have for the home which you may not have completed and could inspire the new owner? You can't provide us with too much information. In fact, we believe every owner plays a significant role in the sale of their property. With your permission, we may even use your key points in the marketing video and share one or two of your stories. This unique, personalised approach will make your property even more tempting to the buyers we locate. We completely understand you may wish to have a few opinions from other agents to determine who is the best agent and agency to sell your most prized and potentially tax-free asset. Some things to remember are: the cheapest agent doesn't necessarily make you the most profit. The cheapest marketing is not necessarily going to attract the buyer who will pay you the most money. Like most things in life, you do get what you pay for. Here are some questions you may want to ask me or other agents you are consulting with. How can you guarantee effective communication? Do you have past client reviews, testimonials, or case studies? What is your negotiation experience, and how many years have you been in the industry? How are you different and better than your competitors? What are your average days on market? Are you able to assist us with renovation, styling, and gardening services? And is there an additional fee? How long is our contract together, and what protection do I have to cancel the agreement? I'll be happy to answer these questions for you when we meet. And one more thing, we believe that having us, Team Tim's and OC in your corner when it comes to buying your next home as simply part of our service can truly assist you in your next move. I have many examples of how our negotiation skills have helped our sellers in the buying process too. We have a lot more value to offer you, and we look forward to meeting you so we can ascertain your needs and tailor a solution just for you. See you soon.